everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Best Buy credit card online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box, search for Best Buy credit card and click on this link that says My Best Buy Credit Card Login or Apply Citi.com. Your Best Buy credit card is issued by Citibank, so you'll be taken to this page where you can easily enter your user ID and password associated with your Citibank online account. Enter your user ID associated with your account and then on the next field, type in your correct password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, check this Remember My User ID box and follow through the on-screen prompt. If you are using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked before signing in. After filling in all of your credentials, you can click on the Sign In button in order to access your Best Buy credit card account online. While logging in, if you are having trouble remembering your user ID or your password, you can get help by clicking on Retrieve User ID or Reset Password respectively. That was how you can easily log into your Best Buy credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.